Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum, fellow Daalat, and good afternoon, everybody. Before the documentary, I'd like to say a couple of things. One is, we're all gathered here on the anniversary of Mahmoud Bache. Now, who was it? Who was Mahmoud Bache? There are many narratives, but I will only tell you what I understand who he was. He was an undisputed activist, leader from grassroots. He never came from aristocracy or bureaucracy. What did he stand for? He stood for secular, free, united Kashmir. He stood for proper democracy. He fought for equality. Equality in religion, equality in gender, and general equality for all Kashmiris. He gave Kashmiris common identity, which we compared with, and it is still missing in Britain. We're not seen as Kashmiris. And I would say the state was formed by Maharaja Gulab Singh. So we could say that he's father of the state of Jammu and Kashmir. And now Mahmoud Bache is second father of that united group, because when he grew up, Kashmir was divided. So we could say he's the second father of the state, like Yasser Arafat and many others. He could not live in the state, but he has given a common denominator for Kashmiris in our parts of the world. Now, he did suffer like many other activists. He did suffer. He was jailed, caused by Pakistanis. For a long time he was tortured, and he was jailed by Indians, trial, and he was hanged in Delhi in 1984. And many people believe that he was hanged in reaction to a diplomat murdered in Birmingham. And that is in a democratic country. And like after Guru, he was hanged to feed public conscience, if you like. This is what the judge said. And then Guru's hanging. And I certainly believe that it was in reaction rather than normal. Now, his remains, what baffled me is, okay, he was tried, he was jailed, he was hung, but his remains were never given back to his family. Why would somebody still be jailed after his or her death? That defies me, and that is true after the Guru. And that goes back to which a lot of people in Islam. Mass graves in Kashmir, logged by Marjan Lucas in Holland, 100,000 people killed. Captain and key policy still going on, 10,000 missing, half widows, and it's a continuation. And somehow, in the West and Western democracy, you see that you get democracy. I think we've said that many times. But he remains a prisoner. When I was a young man when he was 1984, and I heard many discourses. But 2006, I visited his family, his mother, and it is only that when I saw his mother, his sisters, his niece and nephews, then he hit me what the family is going through. And a lot of people don't know the family's plight. One of his sons present here, we will hear from him. And then we came back, and then because we were in India business of mutton, one of our friends, Daalat, who's standing there, lived in Sweden. He is a filmmaker, and I like doing journalist work and filmmaking, whatever. So after about 4 years, or 5 years of constant struggle and work, it's very difficult to film on the side. We come up with a document for you to see what actually his family is going through, what his own mother is going through, and how injustice is being served. And I would say that I will take a lead and can you, and then before I go, can you switch up on the camera, please? Because the documentary is still in the phase of development and it's not going anywhere, so don't film the documentary. Can you switch up on the camera? Can we have the film documentary cover?